This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Terry Spiesman. One of the only ranch townhome condos in Ulster County. This 2-bedroom 2-bath home has open floor plan with dining room area, and large living room. The fireplace has a georgeous wood mantel, and the grasscloth is a focal point which only adds to the ambience. On each side of the fireplace are windowed sitting nooks. Eat-in kitchen with pergo-type flooring appearing like wood, has plenty of cabinets and sliders to a private fenced patio. The 2 bedrooms are good size and the master has a full master bath. Extra storage in the pull-down attic space. Priced well in today's market. HOA fees are only $324 and include trash, water, lawn care and snow removal. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry Spiesman at 845-336-2633.